draw Hello Kitty as a cook. We start by making the shape of the head, with the ears that is. We finish his head. And now we make the shape of the hat, the chef's hat. We finish the hat. And now we make a circle and a lasso. That is the same on one side as on the other. We draw some ornaments. And now Hello Kitty's mustaches. We draw some circles in the nose. And now all that remains is to draw the body. We start by making the body shape with legs. And now we give him a hand with a chef's glove. And now we draw the other hand with a chef's spoon. We draw a circle. And now the very round spoon. We draw the hole in the spoon. And now the decorations on the clothes. We are going to draw a cupcake. We start at the base. And now we make the topping with a cherry at the end. And all that remains is to reread the drawing and color it. See you in the next video. See you later.